Hello kids and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is addition two-digit numbers. Now children, when we talk about one-digit number, we can do any of the three methods that we discussed in the previous sessions. We can do the addition of one-digit number by counting the objects, by drawing lines, or we can do it on a number line. These three methods we can do for small number or a one-digit number. But as we move to two-digit number, when there is suppose 25 plus 24, is it possible to count 1, 2, 3 till? No, it takes time, right? And it is complex also. You might forget in between. On a number line, is it possible to draw till 100 and then doing jumping? Very complex. Is it possible to draw that number of lines and then doing? No. If there is 60 plus 70, then not feasible. So to do the addition of two-digit number, what we do? We follow place value method. In this method, suppose you have to add 92 plus 24, right? So the digits at the right are at the ones place, digit on the left are at the tens place. So understanding the place value is foremost important. You start from right. From right, if you see, then there is ones and then tens. Always, what you have to do? You have to add first the digits at the ones place and then digits at the tens place to get the answer. Now in your book, one example is given. Let's take that example. You have to add 55 plus 42. So 55 plus 42, the digits at the ones place are 5 and 2. So you will do 5 plus 2. That is 7. So you write 7. At the ones place, it is 7. Now at the tens place, the digits are 5 plus 4. So your answer is, when you add 5 plus 4, it is 9. So your answer is, at the ones place we have 7, at the tens place we have 9. So your answer is 97. So it is a very simple method to do addition of two-digit number, complex numbers. You have to remember that at the right, the digits are at the ones place. On the left, the digits are at the tens place. And you have to add the digits at the ones place and add the digits at the tens place to get the answer. This concept of addition, children, is very, very important. Whether you're going for shopping, the addition is done this way only, because you talk about like 200, I got this thing in 200, 2000, 3000. So the method is this place value method to do the addition of complex number or bigger number. Today we talk about the two-digit number, but if we talk about the three-digit, four-digit, five-digit, then also we do addition by place value method. I hope you understood it well. And children, it's very important to practice these two-digit addition. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.